Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. The plain box here says collapsible air fryer silicone. It's a plain box. Okay, now it comes in a plastic bag. Okay, there's a cap here. Few rips to carry the thing over, not burn yourself. As you see, it's collapsed right now. I expand it. It's about to my middle finger, maybe high. And then it has this here too. If you need some air between your whatever you're cooking. And the bottom is glass. That's it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.